Hi, boys and girls. Well, we were learning about aquatic landforms. And of course, part of that aquatic landform, a very important part of it, is water. Water is a precious, non renewable resource. The same water has been on our planet for as long as we can remember. The water cycle plays a role in that, and you'll learn about that later. For right now, we want to think of ways to save water, since water is not a renewable resource. There's a finite amount, so we want to make sure that we have water for many more years to come. So let's read a book about saving water, and it's by Rebecca Ollian. And let's find out about saving water and the different ways that we can save this precious resource. Saving water. Title pages are very important. Helps me know that, yeah, I've got the right book. Oh, thank goodness. A table of contents. So I'm going to get a wrinkle on my brain about different ways to save water. Everyone shares water. All living things share the earth's water. People, plants, and animals need water to live. Each day, more people are born who need the earth's water, but only a small amount of the earth's water is safe for people to use. People need to save water by using less. So it's always fun to go and see aquatic landforms such as ponds so you can feed the ducks and things like that. Fresh water. Most people believe there is plenty of water. Salt water in oceans makes up 97% of the Earth's water. People can't drink salt water. So even though our Earth looks like the blue planet from space because it has so much water, 97%, that's an awful lot, is no good to us because it is salt water. Only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water. Most fresh water is frozen in glaciers. People have to use fresh water from lakes, rivers, and aquifers. Mrs. Clapp, what's an aquifer? Good thing you asked. I can tell this is a bolded word, so that means I can look in the glossary and find out what an aquifer means. Here it is. It's in my glossary. Aquifer, it says, an underground lake. Laws protect water. Governments pass laws to save water. Some laws protect freshwater sources. Others keep water clean. Some states and cities have laws to limit when people can water lawns and gardens. And when you limit something, you make it a small amount of time. So you can water your grass between 8 and 9 in the morning. And I'll water mine from 9 until 10. So we're limiting the drain of water that's coming off. Don't waste a drop. Please conserve water. Businesses save water. Businesses use millions of gallons or liters of water. Factories use water to make paper and cars. That's why it's very important to recycle paper, because the more paper we recycle, the less water is needed to make more new paper. Factories use water to make paper and cars. Power plants use water to make electricity. Many businesses save water by reusing it. Car washes save soapy water in underground tanks. The water is reused to wash other cars. That's a great idea to store that soapy water because we just need the soapy water for the next car to be washed. That works. Saving water outdoors. Farmers use water to grow crops, and that's important. We need those crops in order for us to create the food or make the food that we need. To save water, some farmers grow crops that need less water. Other farmers reuse city water on crops. That's a great idea too. At home, people use the most water outdoors. To save water, people should only water lawns when they really need it. Using sprinklers at dusk also saves water. So the time of day that you use the water is a better idea. In the middle of the day, when it's really hot, more water evaporates. That means it gets taken up into the air. Cities save water. Cities save water in many ways. Cities collect water that washes into the sewers. Sewers is where our waste goes. Cities clean the water and send it to factories. City workers also use water to clean streets and water plants in the parks. That's a great way to reuse the water because the water that cleans the street doesn't have to be beautiful fresh water. It can be soapy water from those car washes. Saving water at home. People can save water at home. To save water, turn off the faucet when brushing your teeth. Take shorter showers. Yeah, keep the world greener by using less water to get cleaner. That makes sense. People can save water at home in other ways. Buy toilets that use less water. Run clothes washers only when they are full, not just to wash one pair of underwear. Try and wash a whole load of clothes. Saving water makes sure all living things have fresh water to drink. People, plants, and animals share the same fresh water. Everyone must work together to save water and keep it clean. I like how these people are cleaning up the beach to make sure our beach landform stays clean for everybody and the trash doesn't go into the ocean. Amazing but true. How would you like a cold glass of ocean water? I know ocean water is salty, so I don't think I would like that very much. Scientists can remove the salt from ocean water. Now you're talking. Ocean water is heated or pushed through a filter to remove the salt. People can drink the water once the salt is removed. That's a great way to solve a problem. Scientists are truly amazing. And then for social studies, we learn about how people work together to solve this problem. So that's great. Scroll on down and find out what your assignment is today. I bet you it's got something to do with saving water.